Hello and welcome, 19th of September, 9:30 in the morning. It's a beautiful day at the minute. This week I'm going to be harvesting my main crop of potatoes. Let's go! So Maris Piper and King Edward, same as I grew last year. Put them in the ground in June. I think they've been in the ground about 14 weeks. They've gone through the normal potato life cycle, green, flowers, then died back. I've earthed them up once. There've been no fuss. There's no problem whatsoever yet. So I'm going to use last year's weight and quantity as some kind of reference point, but it is not a target. Oh, it's definitely a target. I mean, it's not a competition, is it? Oh, it's a competition, alright, but only with myself, which is a bit weird. And I certainly won't be disappointed if I don't get a better weight and quantity than last year. Oh, I will be disappointed. Hopefully there'll be no tears. Right, time to see what's underground. So like I said, it's the same varieties as last year, the same producer. I even bought them from the same place. What is different is I grew them last year in that bed you can see in the background where the squash and the sweet corn is. Not really heavily into organised crop rotation, I just randomly move stuff about every year. It was the same price as last year, so $1.99 for 10 King Edward seed potatoes and $1.99 for 10 Maris Piper seed potatoes. So £4 total cost. Well, the potatoes are up. Let's see how they compare to last year's target. I mean reference point. The potatoes have been counted and weighed. King Edward, Maris Piper. Let's do some maths. So everything has been totted up. Thank goodness mobile phones have calculators these days. The numbers haven't been independently adjudicated, but I checked them 2 or 3 times. I trust the maths. Maris Piper, volume slightly down on last year, maybe 10% down. Weight is up. Average weight up 15% at 110.9 grams per potato. All good there. King Edward, quantity up 60% versus last year. Weight has almost doubled. Average weight 69.1 grams. All is good here. Oh, I knew it was good to have a target. I might use last year's as a baseline every year. I should really use this year's results as a target for next year, but we will see. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe. Send me a comment, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.